Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to search for Telegram group. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Telegram app on your device. You will see this type of interface. What you need to do is basically just make sure to tap the search icon from the top right of the screen. Now, all you have to do is simply make sure to search for the group that you want to join. Basically, you need to know the name of the group or why. Once done, you can just select a certain group that you like. If one keyword doesn't work, try to use in a tricky keyword and then just choose for that group. Once you find the group of your choice, depending upon whether you like the content inside of this or not, you can tap the join option to join that group. This way, you'll be able to search for Telegram group. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.